Hey, long hair, long beard. I'm hunkering down like you because, of this coronavirus. But anyway, maybe one day, okay, I'll be talking about, this virus, okay, in detail. Well, today we are going to speak about something very important. As many students, okay, often make, mistakes when it comes to writing. So while writing, they make mistakes, okay, that they are not, aware of. So today I'm gonna touch upon 4 important mistakes or 4 important big mistakes, okay, as it were. So let's start, my friends. Okay, mistake number 1. Let me read. I arrived to London at 6 o'clock. So do we say to arrive to a place? It's impossible to say to arrive to, okay? Either we can say arrive in or arrive at, okay? When do I use in? When do I use at? I use arrive in when I speak about a city or when I speak about a country. Example, I say I arrived in Sfax yesterday. I arrived in Sus, okay, last week. I arrived in London, okay, at 10 o'clock. I arrived in, okay, the United States, okay, last year. I arrived in Chicago, okay, 2 days ago. So arrive in, okay, a place. So arrive in, okay, a country or arrive in a city. But arrive at now. I use arrive at when I speak about a specific location. So yesterday, okay, we arrived at the hotel at 5 o'clock, okay, in the morning. 2 weeks ago, we arrived at the bus station, okay, at 2 o'clock, okay, in the afternoon. So here, I use it at with specific locations, okay. In, I use in, arrive in, when I speak about a city or when I speak about a country. So here, what do I say? Okay, I arrived, of course, I arrived in London and not, okay, to London. So arrived in London at 6 o'clock and don't forget the linking, okay. Brilliant. Number 2, she has been a teacher since 4 years. Of course, this is the present perfect, okay? So has or have plus past participle. Great. But here, what is the problem? So here we use since, okay? We've used it since. So we've got since and we've got for, the famous indicators of the present perfect. But when do I use since? When do I use for? I use since, okay, when I speak about a point in time. Since yesterday, since last week, okay? Brilliant. But I use, okay, for plus a period of time. So for 2 weeks, for 3 weeks, for a month, for 2 years. So here I've got, 4 years. So is it since or for? Great. So this is a period. So normally I say for and not since. Because since is with a point in time. Okay, brilliant. Number 3, my brother has 6 years. This is, okay, a mistake, a very common mistake, okay. I often, okay, hear my students, say it, okay. So I have 6 years. I have 14 years. We don't say I have. No. This is, okay, purely translation, okay. Brilliant. So, my brother has 6 years. So it's not 6 years. So we say my brother is. So I use here verb to be, okay. So my brother is 6 years. But, okay, is it correct to say 6 years? It's not correct. So either I say my brother is 6, okay, full stop. This is option number 1. Or option number 2, my brother is 6 years old. Okay, am I supposed to write a hyphen here? Is that possible? No, it's not possible, okay? Not possible here. I am not supposed to write a hyphen. I'll be talking about when, okay, to write this hyphen, okay? Especially, okay, in compound adjectives, and I'll be tackling compound adjectives not now, maybe another time. Brilliant. So either I say my brother is 6 or my brother is 6 years old. Nice. Next one, the last one. Please call me as soon as he will arrive. Maybe you're waiting for your boss. Maybe you're waiting for your friend. Okay, maybe you're waiting for a Jack or a John. Okay, and okay, you've got your brother. Maybe okay, your brother is at home, and maybe you are in the market. Okay, shopping. Okay, so you tell your brother, please call me as soon as a Jack. Okay, will arrive or arrives. Oh yeah. So what is correct here? Do I say, call me as soon as Jack arrives or as soon as Jack will arrive? Brilliant. So it's not possible here to say, call me as soon as he will arrive. No. Call me as soon as he arrives. Okay, why? Listen please, so why? Why as soon as he arrives? Listen to me. After as soon as, after when, after if, and after until, we never use the future. We always use the simple present, okay, and no future. Example, I will keep beating you until you tell me the truth or until you will tell me the truth. Great, so until you tell me the truth. So this is the simple present. No, there is no future. Look, please, when you arrive, please let me know. So when you arrive or when you will arrive. So when you arrive, brilliant. So when plus simple present, extraordinary. Now next one, if you work hard, you will succeed, or if you will work hard, you will succeed. Great, so if you work hard, okay, of course, okay, you will succeed. Now next one, okay, the last one. Please, contact me as soon as you get the document. Okay, so contact me as soon as you get the document, or as soon as you get the document. So here I use the simple present. Okay, great, my friends. Okay, so 4 mistakes, okay, that I have dealt with today. I hope, okay, that the lesson was light. I hope that you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, my friends. If you liked my video, give it a rating. Share it, okay, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get my latest. Thanks a lot and have a lovely, lovely day. Goodbye.